Prototype's dimensions reflect a deliberate emphasis on compact design, rendering it particularly well suited for urban traffic while preserving Tesla's distinctive aesthetic. Notably, it is both shorter and narrower than the Model Y. Moreover, the aerodynamic configuration of the Model 2 significantly enhances energy efficiency, which may lead to an increased driving range of approximately 8 to 10%. This enhancement effectively reduces the frequency of charging stops required during daily commutes. In addition, the vehicle's shorter wheelbase plays a critical role in improving handling and agility, thus enhancing the overall driving experience in urban environments. This design adeptly prioritizes passenger comfort while also providing ample cargo space. Furthermore, the reduction of air resistance to a coefficient of 0.25 underscores Tesla's dedication to realizing technical objectives aimed at elevating vehicle efficiency. Such advancements promise not only lower energy costs but also an enriched driving experience. Tesla's innovative front design, which incorporates a sleek daytime running light alongside a compact projector module, signifies a strategic shift toward cost-effective engineering. This approach does not compromise the brand's identity and underscores a commitment to efficiency in vehicle aesthetics. Additionally, the implementation of a 2-inch tier pod configuration illustrates Tesla's capability to streamline its production processes and curtail costs. This ultimately benefits consumers by facilitating lower price points, indicative of a profound understanding of manufacturing efficiencies. The lightweight construction of the new Tesla model distinguishes it as being 15% lighter than its dual-motor counterparts, which in turn enhances both performance and energy efficiency. This optimization is achieved without compromising the robust power capabilities that Tesla is known for. Tesla's utilization of compact drivetrains built on proprietary technologies also contributes to enhanced cost efficiency. This innovation projects lower manufacturing costs compared to competitors such as the Nissan Leaf, highlighting Tesla's proficiency in reducing expenses while simultaneously improving performance. The rear design of the vehicle features simplified electronics and a seamless tailgate, signaling a reduction in production complexity. Such a design enhances daily usability, thereby creating a more ergonomic experience for users. Moreover, the ingenious design allows for an initial cargo space of 15 cubic feet that can be expanded to 35 cubic feet. This versatility matches the practical utility provided by established models such as the Honda Civic. Improvements in structural rigidity, particularly through the enhancement of lower sills, result in increased torsional strength. This advancement leads to a quieter ride and a more refined overall driving experience. Lastly, Tesla's commitment to minimizing wiring complexity alongside manufacturing simplifications exemplifies their focus on efficient production processes, all while upholding high standards in vehicle performance and safety. Anticipates substantial sales that outpace previous iterations, with production capabilities designed to achieve thousands of units daily. This strategic advancement holds the potential to redefine Tesla's positioning within the automotive market. In response to increasing competitive pressures from Chinese automotive manufacturers, particularly BYD, Elon Musk has implemented a pricing strategy that emphasizes competitiveness, thereby addressing the market dynamics of lower-priced electric vehicles. Initial responses to the Model 2 have varied, with a segment of consumers expressing skepticism regarding the quality associated with lower pricing, while others exhibit enthusiasm about the prospect of owning a Tesla for the first time. Tesla has opted for a conventional 4-door design for the Model 2, thereby prioritizing practicality and usability over more extravagant mechanisms, such as the Falcon Wing doors. This decision enhances the vehicle's convenience for urban consumers. The Model 2 is engineered to enhance accessibility to electric vehicles through the inclusion of a comprehensive self-driving hardware suite, aligning with Tesla's vision of an autonomous future. This integration assures a premium experience delivered at a more accessible price point. A noteworthy innovation in the model may second be the introduction of aluminum-ion batteries, which promise superior performance and cost efficiency compared to conventional lithium batteries. This advancement has the potential to significantly reshape the low-cost electric vehicle market. The emerging aluminum-ion battery technology is anticipated to facilitate lower costs and enhanced efficiency relative to lithium-ion counterparts, thereby broadening the accessibility of electric vehicles. This development is expected to substantially influence the pricing strategy for Tesla's Model 2. Tesla's humanoid robot, Optimus, signifies a strategic transition toward artificial intelligence and robotics, potentially overshadowing the company's electric vehicle initiatives. The competition posed by Spang's less expensive robot heightens the stakes within the market. Elon Musk regards Optimus as a pivotal component for the future of labor, underlining the significant role of humanoid robots in the global market landscape. Both Tesla and Spang are engaged in a race to deliver their respective technologies to consumers. The swift evolution of humanoid robotics has yielded a multitude of announcements, intensifying competition within the sector. This rapid advancement reflects a remarkable shift in technological capabilities and market dynamics associated with robotics. Musk asserts that Tesla Optimus can surpass its rivals by executing essential household tasks, thus providing a functional edge. This versatility could resonate with consumers seeking practical robotic solutions for everyday activities. Elon Musk posits that the foundational technologies underlying Tesla vehicles are well suited for the development of humanoid robotics. This robust technological base positions Tesla to manufacture Optimus at scale with considerable efficacy. The Origin M1 humanoid robot from a head form exemplifies the uncanny valley phenomenon by closely replicating human expressions, which can evoke discomfort among observers. This highlights the intrinsic challenges in engineering human-like robotic entities. Optimus 2.5 is proficient in performing basic tasks such as spatial navigation and self-recharging, whereas Optimus 3 aims to achieve a more lifelike appearance and is scheduled for debut in the first quarter of the upcoming year. Tesla's innovative strategy enables Optimus to disseminate acquired tasks across multiple robotic units, forming a decentralized learning network. This architecture enhances operational efficiency and user experience as new capabilities are integrated. Optimus showcases significant dexterity in its hands and arms, allowing effective interaction. The Model 2 is meticulously engineered to be an economically accessible electric vehicle, with a price point of $15,990. Notably, it integrates advanced features such as autonomous delivery capabilities. This strategic combination of affordability and cutting-edge technology is essential for achieving widespread adoption of electric vehicles. Evaluating the electric vehicle market, batteries represent a substantial cost variable, which complicates the pursuit of economically viable models. In response to this challenge, Tesla's innovative battery architecture is designed to mitigate these costs, thereby enhancing the overall accessibility of electric vehicles within the market. In terms of market strategy, Tesla aims to broaden its vehicle portfolio with the introduction of the Model 2, a subcompact crossover that addresses an existing gap in consumer offerings. This strategic initiative is indicative of Tesla's keen awareness of consumer preferences and prevailing market trends. Furthermore, the Model 2 is anticipated to be available in both hatchback and crossover formats, thereby accommodating diverse market demands and individual consumer preferences. Such a strategy resonates with the growing consumer interest in compact vehicle options. Production forecasts for the Model 2 suggest that output will exceed that of both the Model 3 and Model Y, leveraging revolutionary manufacturing techniques aimed at enhancing efficiency and cost-effectiveness. This projection underscores Tesla's commitment to scaling production capabilities. Moreover, advancements in battery technology, particularly the introduction of lithium manganese iron phosphate (LMFP) batteries, have the potential to significantly reduce costs while simultaneously improving performance metrics. This technological evolution positions the Model 2 favorably within the competitive electric vehicle landscape. The implementation of the GigaPress empowers Tesla to cast substantial vehicle sections in a single piece, which dramatically speeds up production and reduces the requisite number of components for assembly. This innovation fundamentally streamlines the manufacturing process, thereby enhancing efficiency. Elon Musk's visionary outlook for the Model 2 anticipates achieving high-volume production targets, potentially escalating to as many as 10,000 units per week. This ambitious objective holds the potential to significantly reshape the electric vehicle market landscape. Finally, the integration of Optimus robots into the production workflow may drastically reduce labor expenses while simultaneously enhancing operational efficiency. This technological advancement provides Tesla the opportunity to increase production capacity while shifting human resources to more complex, value-added tasks. Such improvements are crucial for the overall success of the Model 2. Production of the Model 2 commenced in June, with pre-orders anticipated in the third quarter. This timeline aligns strategically with the expiration of tax credits, showcasing Tesla's ability to adapt its business model. Tesla introduced several new incentives, such as discounts for essential workers and complimentary trials of self-driving features, to attract customers before the tax credit period concludes. This approach demonstrates Tesla's strong focus on customer retention. Initial reactions to the Model 2's design were mixed. However, it bears resemblance to a redesigned Model Y, now boasting enhanced features. This model is set to redefine Tesla's value proposition in the competitive electric vehicle market. The Fremont factory is ideally located to manage the Model 2 project without hindering existing production lines. This strategic position makes it perfect for the initial prototype testing phase. The Model 2 incorporates significant design changes aimed at reducing costs and simplifying features, all while retaining essential functions like full self-driving capabilities. This balance is critical for market viability. Expectations surrounding Tesla's upcoming event are polarized. Some fans expressed disappointment with the Model 2's design, preferring more innovative features rather than a scaled-down Model Y. It's important to note that the Model 2 is not entirely new. It shares numerous components with the Model Y, which effectively lowers research and development costs as well as production timelines. This strategic decision addresses growing competition. Despite apprehensions regarding feature reductions, demand for the Model 2 remains strong, indicating that affordability is a top priority for consumers. This trend underscores a shift in market preferences. Looking ahead, Tesla's strategy emphasizes reducing prices on existing vehicles while launching premium trims to remain competitive, especially in light of evolving consumer expectations. This approach is crucial for sustaining relevance in the market. It showcases at least 21 distinct design modifications when compared to its predecessor, the Model Y, as evidenced by a recently surfaced prototype video. Notable among these alterations are a streamlined front end and the reduction of various features. In light of these modifications, it appears that the model may retain comparable interior space and cargo capacity to that of the Model Y. This aspect could attract budget-conscious consumers who prioritize practicality in their vehicle choice. The anticipated launch date for this model is set for November. Among the most significant changes is the elimination of the panoramic roof, along with a transition to fabric upholstery. These adjustments may influence buyer preferences due to perceived differences in quality, and they reflect a strategic effort to effectively manage production costs. The Model 2 is equipped with a smaller 53 kWh LFP battery pack, which allows for a well-balanced approach to performance and cost efficiency. This decision aligns with Tesla's overarching objective to broaden the accessibility of electric vehicles to a more expansive audience. Two distinct variants of the Model 2 will be available, a base rear-wheel drive version and a long-range all-wheel drive version. This variety caters to diverse consumer needs while ensuring that affordability remains uncompromised. Elon Musk has recognized the substantial demand for affordable vehicles, underscoring Tesla's commitment to overcoming financial barriers that potential buyers face in the electric vehicle marketplace. The withdrawal of the $7,500 federal electric vehicle tax credit presents a considerable challenge for Tesla, complicating the affordability landscape for the Model 2. This scenario necessitates that Tesla absorb additional costs to maintain its price strategy. To address these challenges, Tesla's approach involves leveraging the existing Model Y platform. This strategy not only reduces research and development costs but also accelerates the production timeline for the Model 2, emphasizing efficiency amid a landscape of economic uncertainty. However, the Model 2 does compromise on several hallmark Tesla features, including the panoramic glass roof, in order to maintain a budget-friendly price point. This raises pertinent questions regarding the overall value perception among consumers, as they weigh the trade-offs of these modifications. Model 2 showcases over 20 design modifications from the Model Y, featuring simpler body parts and a streamlined sensor arrangement aimed at reducing production costs. In the community, debates arise regarding the Model 2's comfort. Some enthusiasts express disappointment over the cost-cutting measures, while others appreciate the emphasis on affordability. Significant design alterations include the potential absence of a panoramic glass roof and simplified lighting arrangements, reflecting a clear shift towards minimalism. Interior modifications in the Model 2 feature a reduction in entertainment options and the introduction of fabric seats instead of vegan leather, both aimed at lowering costs. Tesla is exploring LFP battery packs for their cost efficiency, prioritizing safety and longevity, even though this battery type has a lower energy density compared to others. Aluminum-ion batteries offer potential advantages such as rapid charging, but they also present challenges related to energy density, impacting the Model 2's range and weight. Transitioning to aluminum-ion batteries necessitates substantial investment in new production lines and technology upgrades, which are vital for maintaining high quality and performance standards. These aluminum-ion batteries provide enhanced thermal stability and safety, helping to alleviate some drawbacks of lower energy density, particularly in extreme temperature conditions. The sustainability and recycling potential of aluminum-ion technology might yield lower overall costs throughout the vehicle's lifespan, counterbalancing higher initial manufacturing expenses. Tesla's Model 2 is approaching completion, with most regulatory and technical hurdles addressed. The swift production timeline post-unveiling indicates a bright future for affordable electric vehicles. Positioned as a compact crossover, the Model 2 leverages existing manufacturing processes to keep costs down. This strategic choice aligns with a market increasingly gravitating towards crossovers. Tesla's strategy to lower production costs includes utilizing larger cast parts, aiming to reduce complexity and enhance efficiency. This approach aspires to make the Model 2 the most produced vehicle in history. Model 2 exemplifies cutting-edge aerospace-grade engineering, utilizing a sophisticated carbon fiber matrix. This design not only enhances safety but also effectively reduces overall weight, an innovation that stems from SpaceX's design principles. Moreover, Tesla's distinct aero-cast frame construction offers greater strength and rigidity compared to conventional manufacturing methods. This advancement significantly improves crash safety while optimizing overall vehicle performance. In terms of production technology, Tesla employs massive gigapresses that enhance both precision and quality in the manufacturing process. This unwavering commitment to engineering excellence may result in a slower output, however, it guarantees superior vehicle integrity. Additionally, the T3 rotor magnet array plays a pivotal role by enhancing torque output and thermal efficiency, ultimately achieving superior performance metrics when compared to previous Tesla models. This development positions the Model 2 favorably against its competitors. Tesla also integrates its 4D Omni Shield technology, which employs advanced materials to sustain battery performance even in extreme temperatures. Consequently, this technology allows the Model 2 to achieve a verified range that significantly surpasses that of its rivals. The innovative engineering embedded in the Model 2 leads to an extended battery lifespan, thereby reinforcing Tesla's commitment to sustainability. This approach also serves as a cost-effective solution for consumers over time. Rather than simply lowering prices, Tesla strategically reinvests savings into the development of innovative features. This strategy aims to preserve its technological superiority within the competitive electric vehicle market. Furthermore, Tesla's Blitzline system significantly streamlines assembly time for the Model 2 through the utilization of artificial intelligence and robotics. This advancement enhances both efficiency and productivity in the manufacturing sector. Looking towards the future, Tesla aims to capture a substantial market share in Africa by the year 2030. This goal emphasizes the company's focus on scalability and advanced manufacturing capabilities, allowing it to dominate emerging markets without compromising profit margins. Production of the Model 2 is scheduled for early 2026, emphasizing a focus on cost-effective manufacturing techniques. This strategic approach has the potential to significantly transform the market dynamics for affordable electric vehicles. Tesla intends to implement financial engineering strategies designed to facilitate lower monthly payments for consumers. This plan incorporates commercial lease tax credits, which can provide financial benefits to consumers even in the absence of federal subsidies. Furthermore, state incentives continue to be available despite the reduction in federal support. For instance, programs in states such as California offer substantial benefits based on consumers' income levels. Incentives can vary significantly from one state to another, with some states providing rebates and tax exemptions. Notably, New Jersey offers a complete sales tax exemption, while Massachusetts has increased its rebate from $2,500 to $3,500. In addition, the higher projected residual values for electric vehicles contribute to lower lease payments. It is anticipated that Tesla's Model 2 will have resale values approximately 18 to 20% higher than those of traditional gasoline vehicles. The timeline for the Tesla Model 2 suggests that production will commence in early 2026, with initial deliveries prioritizing reservation holders in California and Texas. While Tesla has demonstrated significant improvements in production capabilities, it is essential to acknowledge that global supply chain unpredictability could impact their ability to achieve production targets and maintain quality standards, which is critical for their market reputation. Moreover, the Model 2 is equipped with Tesla's latest battery technology, which promises enhanced performance and longevity compared to prior models. This advancement is a crucial factor in attracting consumers who may be hesitant to embrace the electric vehicle market. The anticipated cost savings from operating the Model 2 could total nearly $1,800 annually, compared to conventional vehicles. This financial advantage may serve as a compelling incentive for a larger number of consumers to transition to electric mobility. Aftermarket upgrade kits for this innovative technology are projected to range from $3,000 to $4,000, thereby making future enhancements more accessible to consumers. This trend reflects the rapidly evolving nature of electric vehicle technology. Additionally, Tesla's modular battery architecture signifies a strategic design that facilitates future upgrades, allowing users to enhance their vehicle's capabilities without necessitating the purchase of a new model. This approach underscores the importance of sustainability. The Model 2 is anticipated to be affordably priced and available by late 2026, positioning itself as a competitive option within the electric vehicle market. Therefore, consumers are encouraged to place reservations for early access.